Are you building with AI and just finding it so difficult to find customers? If you could just find the time to write the posts and post them and schedule them and write ads and get them implemented. I'm Matt Barge. I'm here to walk you through the Marketing Factory. Now, this is something I've struggled with myself, and this is how this project came about, which is I know all about how difficult it is to find distribution. You know, I went to Gauntlet, kind of the Harvard of AI, building 1,000 hours with AI. I just want you to know I've struggled with you. Now, what I'm gonna be doing is walking you through the Marketing Factory. The Marketing Factory is right here, and what it does is it boils down marketing into 3 buckets. There's generation, which is like all the content, the assets, the ads. There's execution, which is getting them out into the market. The ads are running, the posts are posted. Then third is optimization, which is what are those things that are working, what are those things that aren't working, and what are the next things that you need to do. We're gonna be walking through the Marketing Factory in terms of a product named Remixel. This is an app that Kelly Claude built. It's a Mac app that's for DJs. It makes really cool graphics and kind of visual effects that run live when you're doing your DJ set. And so in order to market this app, you need a whole bunch of things, right? You need Twitter posts, you need Instagram posts, you need Google search ads, meta ads. All these different things are all things that you need to do. Like you've done all this building already and all of a sudden, oh my gosh, you have all these other things to do. The way Marketing Factory works is it's website in, marketing out. So all you do is enter in your URL. This is the website that you have, your landing page. From there, we read all the information about your application, your product. We even dive deep, the opportunity. What are the customers? Where are they spending their time? What is the market like? What are the pain points? What is the messaging that's most gonna resonate with your customers? These things are essential. After the brief, we generate all these other marketing assets. So we've got some posts already lined up. Shipped Remixel, native Mac OS apps for DJs and installation charts, combined live visuals, everything renders, no waiting. So it's really truncated. Like Twitter is best for short form content. So we can go ahead and copy this and paste it right into our Twitter. We've also got LinkedIn posts, the founder story. So I watched a VJ friend loop the same clip for 2.5 hours at a warehouse show last year. We've also got problem spotlights. We've got contrarian take. Let's take contrarian take and we'll post that straight into our LinkedIn. So if we wanted to run ads for our beloved Remixel app, we've got them right here. You've been running the same loop for 3 hours, not because you want to, because rebuilding mid-set is impossible. We've got pain point, we've got it by benefit, curiosity, social proof, and same for Google search ads. Here is all the copy that you can use. We've also got cold email sequences. So if you've been building and you just can't find the traction, the energy, the momentum, I want you to look at Marketing Factory. This is something you can use to generate all of your marketing assets. All you simply do is enter in your website. Could be your landing page, your social page, you know, anything. You put that into the Marketing Factory. We will build you an entire set of marketing materials that are ready for you to copy and paste straight into all of your marketing accounts. So again, this is Matt Barge for Marketing Factory. Thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you soon.